Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how to create coupons in Stripe. In the previous video, we have learned how to use Stripe checkout in Next.js. I will put the link on the description of that video. But today I'm just going to show you how you can add coupons to that checkout page. For that, just go to Stripe dashboard and then go to product catalog, then coupons, and then create coupon. Give it a name. Let's say summer sale. ID is optional. You can add percentage like 10%, 50%. You can also add fixed amount. Let's add percentage. Let's add 20. Then you have duration. Values can be once, multiple months, or forever. Once probably means that it can be used only one time. After that, the coupon will be invalid. You can use months. You can use 1 month, as I said, 2 months, or you can use just forever. So I'm going to stick to 2 months. Then you have redemption limit. So you can just limit the range when coupons can be redeemed, or you can limit the number of times this coupon can be redeemed. Let's add 3, and then you can add your code. By default, Stripe will create a code for you, but you can add your own. Let's say I will add summer 10. You have bunch of more options like expiration date, limit to specific customer, etc. You can even add multiple code. And let's create a coupon. So we have the summer sale coupon, 20% off for 2 months. Now we need to go to the Next.js project, and then you need to go to the create checkout session function that we have created. So inside the session params, you need to add a property, allow promotion codes to true. By default, it is false. Now let's just go to localhost and go to checkout. Now you have the option for promotion code. I will let the promotion code apply. So I have 20% off, and then I can just fill out the details. Hey. And now let's go to the dashboard, transactions. This is the new transaction. And if you scroll down, you see this coupon is used. So this is how you can use coupon codes. You can also create and manage coupons through the SDKs, but for most of the cases, just using the UI is good enough. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I will show you how you can use Stripe web elements to create your own checkout page. So that's it. Stay safe. Goodbye.